all know why we're here. As men, we're obviously not affected, as sadly a lot of women aren't. So we want to raise awareness, be educated, and hopefully educate the people that might not be here this evening.
Mae 71% o fenywod o bob oed wedi profi afloynyddu rhywiol mewn man cyhoeddus. Hyd yn oed os nad yw dynion yn teimlo eu bod nhw'n rhan o'r broblem, y maen nhw'n rhan o'r ateb.
I had an experience about 2 years ago, and I was running and I was actually followed nearly all the way home for about 2k. What was it that brought you along tonight for this road?
Supporting my mum and my sister. My older sister, she's had a few incidents of harassment, especially when out and exercising. We want to create a fair and safe space for everyone to thrive, and especially women. We've got loads of men out here. We're here to spread a message, to be proud of what we're representing, pushing how men can be allies rather than demonising. I think it's a great approach.
Hopefully coming on from conversations like this, men are then going to go on and have those conversations organically with themselves as well. I think it would make men happier living in a society where a lot of those behaviours are not as normalised.
It's all about making women feel more comfortable running at dark in winter. I mean, it's kind of one of these things that blokes don't really think about because it is such a normal thing for us to just go out whenever.
Certainly in the winter, like this sort of time, it is a privilege to be able to roam the streets or run anywhere, whereas women probably don't have that same privilege where they don't have to worry about going out.
Fel menyw, dwi wastad just yn blank face pan fi'n cerdded trwy stryd achos fi ddim moyn I dynion dal llygad fi, sycian o fi, dweud pethau.
Mae'n gormod o menywod sydd ddim yn sal. Dwi'n mynd i'n rhedeg am y gofod newydd. Os mae dynion yn stopio ein gilydd yn neud y pethau drwg hyn, dwi'n credu ni'n mynd yn y ffordd cywir.
Actually, we should try and do as much as we can just to help out everyone, and especially women who get harassed. Joining in to just be part of the solution, really.
I enjoyed myself and I enjoyed talking about it. You know, it's a sensitive topic, and it was really nice to be able to talk about that in a free environment.
It's really interesting to be able to have a better understanding myself and hopefully for everyone else here as well. It's been such an organic way of having conversations with people as well, rather than it being forced.
It's quite shocking to learn some of the stuff and hear some of the stories that some of the girls had here.
It requires men to speak up and, you know, not be afraid to speak up and, you know, support everyone around them.
Mae'n neud chdi really anxious rhedeg pan ti ddim yn gwybod beth sy'n mynd I ddigwydd. Dwi'n meddwl mae merched fi gymaint o amser a meddwl I fewn I be mae nhw'n neud, ond dwi'n meddwl mae dynion yn gallu bod yn eitha passive. Os dyn nhw ddim yn gweld eu hunain fel rhan o'r broblem, maen nhw'n gallu sort of mynd, oh well, na I just gadael o. Lle actually dwi'n meddwl bod yn really bwysig I codi ymwybyddiaeth o brofiadau merched, just so bod dynion yn dallt.
I don't think that it is a one gender conversation. Anybody from any gender, any background should be part of that conversation.
We should be talking about it openly. We should be having these conversations, taking those little steps, because those little steps can go a long way to supporting so many different people.
We've got a duty of care.
Look after everyone and create a safe community.